A4C electric control E08 fault troubleshooting.
E08 spindle motor hardware overcurrent.
Step 1. Check for mechanical jams in the machine head. Step R is to use the dial to measure whether
the voltage drops of the 6 IGBTs in Q2 Q7 are normal or not.
The voltage drop on pins 1 and 3 of the IGBT is about 0.68 voltage, and the voltage drop on pins 2 and 3 is about 0.45 voltage. If not, check the resistance around the IGBT and replace the IGBT. Step 3. To test whether the D15, D17 diodes and R159, R140 RAM resistors are normal or not. D15, D17 diode voltage drop of 0.5 F. R159, R141 have a resistance of 33 Omega. Step 4. Turn on the power. Use the DC file to detect whether the voltage on both sides of the C14 capacitor is 15 voltage or not. If it is not normal, repair its U16 as well as its switching power supply section. Step 4. Replace the driver chip 7336.